Good morning. It's Friday. It's another week. Okay, we had a short week this week, and we've got commodities to discuss. And they had last week the grains did a little better than I thought, but I will stand by the overall theory that the grains, I believe, are in a bear market. I believe pricing futures, pricing commodities. Once they get to a certain price, people have to start looking for alternatives, alternative products. So I believe that the charts dictate soybeans for sure are in a bear market. Corn is probably more flattish, and wheat is kind of in a big solid congestion pattern. But in all three of those, I am going to consistently look for opportunities to sell. I believe that the tops are in just based on the price action. Oil continues to hold steady its ground. Now, the chart is supporting what it is. I have fought a little bit of the trend, basically, of what we have thought, but I can no longer be aggressively fighting here because we are breaking the upside. Whether there's going to be some trouble in the Mideast, whatever the reasons that oil is higher, it doesn't matter. We don't care. The chart says that it's continuing to go higher, and it's breaking out from here. So there's no reason to fight that overall trend. And we've been pretty much right on the money on gold, as we have our top end at about 1690 to 1700 and our bottom end at around 1630, and we've been whipping around within that range. And that market is in an overall downtrend. So we want to continue to be with the overall trend. Now, if you've noticed, the dollar has also started to pick up a little bit of strength, but I think that's more of a dead cat bounce for here, because I think right now there's a battle between all the banks throughout the world to try to devalue their own dollar to create some more export. And of course the bond market continues to hold here. Now it looks like the bonds will get a little bit more of Fed action again, because the Fed cannot afford to let the interest rates escape, and they've let the 30-year go over 3%, and the 10-year, it's gone to 1.9 and then come back down again. If it gets too much to 1.9, the Fed's got to come in and participate. So anyways, looking forward to the predictions this week. I think the market, I can't fight it. I mean, I say it probably goes higher. I say we stay within 2-3% of where we are. I think the oil market has to go higher. I think the gold market, use our levels and look to sell. And I think in the grains, you want to be short if you do trade those products. And that's it. Have a great weekend for the Bubba Show, Friday, Commodity Corner. We'll talk to you on Monday. Take care, everybody.